Hello everyone, I'm hoping that all you are doing very well. Now this conversation is totally going to discuss about the new way and more people are just want to be more fluent in English, but why they are not be able to speak because they are not doing practice. But this conversation help you to how do you think and how you can be more fluent in English. So because I don't have a such kind of companion, only the thing I have a smartphone and a AI model which help me to level up my knowledge and also help me to how I can fluent more in English. So thing is that you are in this problem, so you have to be determined towards your ambition towards your English speaking practice. So that's why you are here and you really want to be more fluent in English. So thing is that you have to do a small type of practice or a small type of video, just you have to make it and just trying to speak in front of anything whatever comes in your mind. So you have to just speak and deliver a such kind of things which can also level up your knowledge in front of camera. So let's I have a such kind of a topic which can also hit your mind to think in a better way. So I have a topic. The topic is that AI generated model, why it's became so advantageous in this field. In this era, everyone wants to know about it, and everyone just trying to learning the things, learning the skills related to AI generated model, because AI helps our life very easy, because it helps our work very rapidly. Suppose that in physically you are doing a 2 hours or a 3 hours work, but if you take help with ChatGPT, then your work must be more faster than the usual days, just 5 or 6 minutes. As I talk about, you have to write a paragraph, then you just have to think and just write a paragraph in a better way. But if I say something in to ChatGPT, then ChatGPT provide a full paragraph in a briefly manner or a professional manner, so you can make it very easily. So I can just ask you about it, how you can get out of your bad habits. So you don't have a companion, you don't have any such type of professor who can guide you, but you only ask to ChatGPT, then it will provide you the briefly knowledge how you can get out of it. So you have to make it very easily, because it helps our life more easy. As I talk about the English speaking practice, you don't have a companion, I have already said that, but you ask to ChatGPT, just trying to talk to him, then it will provide you, it will guide you how you can get out of your bad habit and how you can go through it. So thing is that you have to doing the practice, and ChatGPT is a very affordable price. You can use it. There are many AI generated model, but you have to just use it. The thing you have to just mastering the skills. I don't have, but I still just trying to give the great effort. So that's why I'm here. And finally, my name is Asif Sheikh, and every day I'm just trying to be more fluent in English, because I don't have a companion. The only person you are watching me and you are motivating me. So that's why I'm here and making a such kind of small video which can also help your mind to think in a better way, because it's a morning time, it's about 6 a.m. and I'm making video. Why I'm making? Because I believe that if I do in this way, just like a 15 to 30 minutes video every day or speaking in front of camera, then I can also help my mind to think in a better way, because in this way my muscles might be more escalate or more fluent than the usual days. Because practice is very important, just like doing exercise. Without doing exercise, your body won't be able to doing such kind of activities which you really want to be more perfect. So you have to do practice, just like I'm speaking or shadowing. And I'm not saying that you have to make video, but only you can just watch a English podcast and just trying to speak or a mimic. So if you do in this shadowing, then your tongue might be more crystal and clear everywhere, or a bit by bit daily practice. Because sometimes when you're just trying to speak more big pronunciation words, at that time your pronunciation might be stuck. So doing this practice, your pronunciation might be more crystal and clear. So you have to doing right here, right now. Why I am saying this? Because you can see I was not be able to speak, but I am just trying to speak in front of you. And don't consider you are yourself you are a weak, you are, don't have a such kind of skills. But the thing is that you have to build confident. What confident mindset? It is totally depends on our mindset, what a way I am just thinking and you are thinking, and whatever you are just trying to give a effort. Because because everyone just trying to give excuse and just trying to wait for a perfect moment, but the reality is, and to be honest, reality is what? The perfect time won't come. The perfect time you have to make it. Because where I am, there are lots of peoples around me. They are who are very educated, but they are not be able to speak. Why? Because they are not doing practice, and they just trying to say that yes, I can understand, I can write, but I can't be speak. Why? Because they are not doing practice. But as I talk about myself, if I talk in front of them, then they are be shocked. Hey buddy, you are like that, you are speaking like that. Why? Who make you guide? I am saying that no one can make me guide. But the thing is that only the person I am, because my mindset is totally depends on the work, depends on my mindset, depends on my daily routine, depends on my determination. So you have to escalate, you have to enhance, and just trying to evaluate your daily routines by doing a great effort. Because great thing always takes time. It won't reflect in a single day or a 2 day, week, month, year. It might take 6 months or 2 year, but you have to be consistent. Yes. So this is the topic which I have discussed, the AI generated model. AI generated model also help our life very easily, doing some things very rapidly, more faster than the usual. And when the AI took places in this world, then the many things gives us a advantageous way. We can just trying to grab a such kind of knowledgeable things everywhere. You can speak very fluently, just like you are speaking a real guy. Because I am doing practice with AI, and while I am just doing a mistake, they also just trying to rectify me where I am just speaking, where I am lacking my knowledge. Then they also just trying to guide, this way you have to go. If you avoid these things while speaking, then your English might be more fluent. Then I'm just trying to implement. And it is also just trying to say that how you can make your storytelling more better or more attractive in an intention way. I'm just trying to do in that kind of field. And trust me, to be honest, when I just started to speaking or talking like that, then I realized I could be more better than my everyday practice. So I just trying to make it and just trying to level up your knowledge, and also you can talk to me. If anything coming in your mind, if you anything just stuck on your mind, just trying to let me know in the comment section. So in this way I can understand, I can just trying to implement and observing the things, and just trying to give you the feedback, whatever you have to just trying to speak in a fluent way. But one thing is that speaking is very important, but the learning new vocabularies is more important than speaking. Because while speaking you should have to be remember a vocabulary. Without vocabulary you can't be able to imagine the things. I'm not saying that you have to use 10 to 15 vocabularies every single day. I'm just saying that 3 or 4 vocabularies is enough for every day. But after learning, you have to just use these words in your conversation. So trust me, if you just use in like that field, then your English might be more fluent, and you can also remember your new vocabulary. So empower yourself and overcome this situation. Just articulate this conversation in a very way. Articulate means explain everything in a crystal clear way, but meanwhile you have to maintain rhythm, and rhythm is very important. And I'm not saying that you have to speak just like a native speaker who is speaking very well in a good accent. Just trying to be a small or a short sentences, then bit by bit your English might be more fluent and you can speak like a pro, and your speed would be more fluent than the native speaker. So hoping that this video also help your mind to think in a better way and how you can go through it and how you can step out of your comfort zone. Because if we just stay in our comfort zone, then our life might be destroyed at some stage. Every time we have to just trying to level up our knowledge and just get out of your bad habit, and also just trying to doing hard things to adopt this knowledge, to adopt a such kind of skills which can also gives you a door and opens your door in a very better way. You can't imagine. It will give you a good payoff if you do a hard work every single day. So hoping that this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'm really appreciate you could speak, you could able to watch my videos. So in this way your motivation also help me to make a good videos, and every day I just trying to make it in a perfect way. So goodbye, take care, I'll meet you in my next conversation. So if it is any problem, so don't forget to let me know in the comment section, so I'll keep joining and I'll go through it, this determination what you are thinking. So please don't forget to write your opinion. I'll also try to give the response. So goodbye, take care, bye for now.